So this weekend's task is all about adding a set of kind of cabinets or shelves between the end of the bathroom and the beginning of the bed. And it's quite challenging to get my head around exactly what bars need to be made at what length and what orientation. But I think I've got an idea now, so I'm going to start cutting some bars down so I can get something put together, and that should hopefully help me flesh the rest of it out. So I'm slowly but surely working my way through this frame for the cabinet. So you can see we've added in this section here, which is to mirror this angle there, and we'll bolt into the wall with a rivnut there. When I get that far, I'm going to bolt it onto the side of the bed frame to give it more support, but I think I'm at a point where we can start doing the carpet lining. Therefore, these frames all need to come away from the wall, and I think I'd be better doing that before I go too much further with these cabinets. Now we know where all of the cabinets and things are screwing and bolting into the wall, we need to take them out so that we can put the final layer of insulation and carpet on. So I'll do it a section at a time, because the overhead cabinets are easy to take out, but things like the toilet, shower and the kitchen, I can't get them out. The carpet's going to tuck under here. I'm going to move the bathroom unit out of the way so that we can just carpet up to, say, here or something, so that it disappears behind the unit. So I took this opportunity to add the last couple of rivnuts into the wall. These are going to be used for helping support the toilet and shower frame, and also the shelf cabinet thingy there. So following on from the advice from some of the other folk who've already done this, it can really help stop the metalwork feeling cold if you put a small layer of insulation between the metalwork and the carpet. So I've got some, I think it's neoprene, self-adhesive neoprene. It has got a silver layer on it. It's the same stuff we use for insulating the water tank. I'm going to put this on all the metalwork before we carpet it. Where we've got plywood, don't need it over the ply, but it's just going over the metalwork. Also, we need to kind of find a nice way of stopping around the windows. I'm not quite sure how that's going to finish yet, because the magnets for all the window covers need to be basically straight to the metal. If you put carpet in between them, the magnets just aren't strong enough. You need massive magnets to do it. So we're going to kind of come up with a neat edge and finish around all these windows. So I'm going to chuck you back on time lapse and get going. Okay, so here you can see the kind of foam rubber, I think it's neoprene insulation stuck in place. Doesn't look perfectly neat, but once the carpet's over it, that should easily cover up any small imperfections. Hopefully you can see behind me, we've now got carpet on the walls, just in this section here. We've gone for a light grey colour. I think it's called silver actually. It kind of matches in with the silver theme of the van. Pretty happy with it all. There's the odd crease up towards the top, but that doesn't matter because that's all going to be hidden behind the cabinet. In the end, the carpet was that long, so I thought I might as well just carry on all the way up. Yeah, really pleased with that. It's a slightly tedious job when you've got to try and get a tidy, neat edge, but it's worked alright. I think the next section I'll probably do is the background there, which means taking the bed frame out. So I have to tidy up now because there's not enough room to move it. So as you can see, we've now taken the bed out and the overhead cabinet, and the toilet and shower is off the wall. So this piece we're going to put carpet in. I think we'll tuck it in up to the edge of this wall, and then we'll do another piece up and around. So here is the finished section around the window, and that's gone really well. And I've also done the section up and over the door around to this point here. I'm going to put the rubber door trim, I'm just putting the rubber door trim back on. I'll put that round to about there, and then we need to take the kitchen units out so that we can do the other side. Now that we've got this wall here and around the back all sorted, we're going to try not to kick stuff. Get the furniture on this side of the van back in, so get the toilet and shower and the overhead cabinet at the front to go back in. The bed will stay off until we've done this side, but we need to take the kitchen off to this side, so if we get this bolted back up, it's out of the way. So now we've got the toilet and shower and the front overhead cabinet back in place, and we can see that's it's going to work really nicely. Obviously you're not actually going to see any of the carpet behind them, but it means that it's finished really well along the edges where the units stop. So I've got the rear overhead cabinet to put back up there, and then I need to take all of this stuff down and out so I can carpet this side. So we've now got everything back in and everything back together. It's one of the beauties of having this aluminium extrusion stuff bolted into rivnuts. It all comes out and goes back in pretty quickly. Overall, I think we're really happy with the outcome of this, and it means we can kind of push on with the rest of the van. We do still need to carpet line the doors. I'll perhaps try and do that next weekend.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you've got any more ideas or you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Cheers.